Wonder shall never end, my wonderful people. Old woman want to use somebody child to make money. My beautiful people, wonder shall never end. Hello everyone, my beautiful people, my wonderful family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends the country you are watching me for. Now me, una sister, una lady, una friend, Edith K Family TV. I am back again. If you know you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. As you do that, may Almighty God bless you all abundantly. All my returning subscribers, may God bless you all, and I really appreciate every one of you those that support me. May God bless every one of you. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. In this my channel, Edith K Family TV, we cook in this channel and we still talk about some matter in this channel. That is what we are doing here, Edith K Family TV. Thank you for your understanding. May Almighty God bless you. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. My wonderful people, wonder shall never end. Today's topic is 2-in-1 video. 2-in-1 video. Number one, nothing we will not go see for this life. Nothing we will not go see for this life, especially Africa. Nothing we will not go see. My people, my wonderful people. Mo na carry na chest down, mo na come hear story. Wetin dey happen for Africa? We don't tire to the hear different things wey dey happen for Africa, especially my country, Nigeria. Nothing we will not go hear for them. Wahala be like bicycle. Hey! Number one, old woman, my people, old woman, Nana old woman wake up. Nana she wake up to know say money is good. They go take somebody hair, see somebody pikin. One Hausa pikin, 13 years old boy. Na old woman with her husband go carry. They go give all those people wey they do money ritual. They just kill the innocent boy. They give am RIP because of money. Now old woman want find money, my people. Make una answer me. Edowe, I learn na gbota ma was agbogwe. Wetin me for my Benin darling? Our Benin darling say we dey pray, may evening better pass morning. Now the old woman wake up when time don dey reach to meet Baba God. Now he wan go end the life for inside school. Another person pikin just carry am, give am RIP because of my people. Another person pikin. Now old woman wan look for money. Now you wan look for money. Now dey break for day. Now dey break for your eye. They just give that innocent boy RIP. They say they ask am question. How it happen? They say that's why the man say me I hold a leg. The man say na they say they want money. Now he say me they go find 13 years old boy Hausa. The man say me they hold a hand, a leg and a hand. And before they hold on, the man don't give the boy RIP. They say that's why body they shake. The old woman say body they shake. Why you even hold the boy leg? Make somebody you mother. Nothing we will not see for Africa, my people. Mother not say this woman to the talkie. Wait till you know. May you go sit down. May now watch the video, my people. May now watch.
Oga, drop that thing for ground.
Drop that thing.
Oga,
drop up.
I said drop up. Wait.
Nobody should video.
The person you kill, now which tribe?
Na Hausa
man you kill.
Yes, right.
Where you?
Men are check.
These are medicine, juju, ritualists that my boys, police special anti-cultism vigilante, apprehended. This man is an afar. He went to kill one 30-year Hausa man for rituals. He's taking us to go and recover the dead body now. Come on, guy. Now, what do you want to use the dead body? What do you want? Who saying you make you use the money? The person do rituals for them.
Now we say make you take money do ritual for us.
Right now agreement say
Who them be to you? Who them be to you? Who them be to you?
I say make
They are customer to you. Okay, they can't do juju for your hand. Okay, they can't say they do it. They need their money.
they say they need money, maybe they feel their money.
Okay, which blood be this one now for you?
Now the
Okay, the woman be blood. One and kill. Open it, let's see.
don't dry because don't is 2 months.
Okay, don't dry now. One and kill person. Okay, the blood be that now. The Hausa man, you know his name?
the name wey dey.
Let's say the name as they do something in that time, you can't talk the name. Baba, let's say Baba. Name dey there agreement.
Well, now, what is the agreement paper now? Madam, get up. Madam, who hold the person for you when you kill? Two of the whole who hold the hand?
Nah, 2 of them hold the hand.
Okay. I can't take killer. Wait. Okay, what down where you are to down where your bed.
See where the old woman will go land herself now. Now she breed disgrace for the children or the family. As I dey look at you, they shame. I dey shame. I say, old woman, mother, we have a grandchildren. Ah, God of Israel. God of Israel. So all those old women don't join youth. They find money. They don't join youth. They give another person children RIP. Old woman, mother. Abeg. We mothers, may we dey pray for our children. Oh, may we dey pray for our children. May we dey pray for our children. Because wetin dey happen for Africa now, it's unbelievable. May we dey pray for our children. So then na old woman now, na he come dey God. They don't even give the boy RIP for 2 months. Money no come. Now God can't expose them. They don't do it for 2 months before God can't expose them. Money where they find in the no see. I beg my people. May we suffer for this life. This money, we know they carry and go anywhere. We know they carry and go anywhere. Oh, we know they carry and go anywhere. May we suffer. May we suffer. I reckon I'm going to marry. And I make the day or even go to Monogamia. We go Saloboa. Hey, we dey see something. Things they happen for this world. This world not banner so. My people. This life is full of wickedness. Why this life you're full of wickedness, my people? I told you guys that this video is 2 in 1. Number 2. 2 youth, 2 young guys. They always tell their friends, say, I want that 2 months. They will buy Jeep. They will build house. The friend, they call the house and say, we on one see the money when I want to do all those things. They don't know say that they target another person child where they want to do am. So one young boy, one small boy, 9 years old boy, the mother send a message. These two guys, they just call the young boy, say, come, help us buy pure water. The boy now is okay. They direct the boy to where I want to go buy, and they know say through that place they will target and do what they want use and do. And the small boy they go. And so they carry this thing where they cook for kitchen. They use and remove the small boy. My people, I know if you show this video, it's too horror. Huh? And so they use and remove their boy. They give that boy RIP. Then with God so kind, they don't say somebody they see them for far. And so the person see and the way they do this, the way they give the small boy RIP, and so that the person where they look them for far, wrong. Go and shout for the village. He shouts. When I can't see what they see. Before they reach there, the boy don't be RIP. The small boy, they don't give him RIP. They don't remove that small boy out of this world. What did they pursue now, my God? What did they pursue now? This money, touch and leave, now this money be. Nobody they carry this money go anywhere. You want to buy the latest Jeep. You want to build the latest house. Now you human being wanted to, huh? Can't you walk? Can't you walk? God. When they pray for our children who are beg. Africa, especially the way they have money, they pray for our children. When they pray for them, may God protect them, may God guide them anywhere they are going, because wicked people they outside, they fool everywhere, they don't care. What do you think, my wonderful people? It is my wonderful message today. Leave your comment down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your community, to your WhatsApp friend. As you do that, may Almighty God bless every one of you. Thank you very much, and I love you all with the love of Christ. Bye-bye.